Hey there Songbird, Kerri Ho from thesongbird.com, where we believe that everybody can sing. Hey there Songbird, so before we get into today's topic, I want to let you know that I have a free resource, my Ultimate Vocal Warm-Up Guide ebook. It's basically a book where I have written down my 16 top vocal warm-ups, and you're going to absolutely love it. It's going to help you sound better. It's going to help you know a step-by-step sequence of how to warm up your voice in the most effective way. So do go and check out that in the link below. Now, today, you and I are having another tea time together. So, as you can see, it is time for us to relax, have a heart-to-heart. So go and grab your favorite beverage. I've got mine. Today, I'm actually just drinking a very simple English breakfast tea. I absolutely love English breakfast tea. It's actually my favorite. It's my comfort go-to tea. So, you know what? I'm going to have a sip before we get into today's heart-to-heart. Alright, so what are we actually talking about today? The question that I'd like us both to ponder together, Songbirds, today is, do I have to have talent in order to be able to sing? Now, I get this question so many times. I have received this question so many times in the last 14 or so years of teaching singing. People come to me and they basically ask me this question, you know, do you have to be talented in order to learn to sing well? Do you have to have natural talent, or can anybody learn to sing? And you know, it's almost like behind that question is another question, and that question is, am I worthy? Am I worthy to learn to sing? Am I worthy to come here and have singing lessons with you? Am I worthy to go and buy a program and get better with my singing? Am I worthy to be called a singer? And you know what, I honestly absolutely understand that feeling, because I don't believe that I was born with natural talent. I really don't think so. I loved music. I think I had a natural love and passion towards music, and when I was about 5 years old, I begged my parents to give me the opportunity to do piano lessons, and I guess I've always just naturally loved to sing, even from a very young age. You know, I remember just like, you know, twirling around the house singing songs, and you know, I grew up in church, and so I was always that kid that sang. You know, loved going to church to sing all the songs, and I loved going to school because I loved the school assemblies, because at school assemblies we got to sing. You know, I was a bit of a nerd, yeah. Anyway, but yeah, so for me, singing has always been, I guess you can say, a natural part of my life, in the sense that I absolutely loved it. But was I a great singer? Did I have, you know, a natural, like Whitney Houston, Beyonce, Mariah Carey, or whatever voice? No, I did not. In fact, I had so many vocal problems. I really did, Songbird. I'm going to open up to you now and be honest. I had so many vocal problems. I couldn't sing high. My range was so small. It was probably about an octave. And even in that octave, it just didn't sound really great. It was shaky, it wasn't smooth, I'd get pitchy. You know, I used to strain my voice so much, whereby after about half an hour of singing, I would absolutely, completely lose my voice. My voice cracked constantly. You know, what else can I tell you? Literally, I wouldn't say that I had, you know, natural talent or whatever. But, you know, through years and years and years of hard work behind my passion, it's gotten me to where I am today, where I am actually not just a singer and a professional singer, but a professional vocal coach, and I work with singers from all around the globe at any level to learn how to sing. And that's not because I have talent. That's not because I am a naturally born talented singer. It's not. It's because, one, I love it so much, so I have that passion, and I've put hard work behind that passion. You know, I've invested into my desire to be a good singer. I've taken all the lessons that you can take. I've gone to every seminar, I've bought every book, and I've just continued to learn. And even now, I continue to learn, even though I am a vocal coach, because I believe that music is infinite, and it's just, you can always be learning and growing. So Songbird, you know, my opinion on this, and I do believe that this is correct, is that no, you do not need to be talented. No, you do not have to have natural talent, whatever that is. And And you know, anyone, literally anyone can learn to sing if they really want to. I have trained singers to learn how to sing who have been completely what you would call tone deaf, where when they first came to me, they couldn't even pitch notes properly. And I've been able to train them to a point where they can sing and sound really great, right? I've also trained singers where they've started off tone deaf, but have not only been able to learn how to sing well, but also harmonize. Like literally, it's possible. And so I guess the reason behind us kind of talking about this topic today is because if you have any fear inside you about, or any doubt, maybe I should use the word doubt, you know, any doubt inside you that's saying, oh, am I good enough to sing, you know? Am I good enough to learn to sing? Am I worthy to go and take singing lessons? Am I worthy to, you know, am I wasting my time watching, you know, Kerri's videos on YouTube and trying to improve my voice? I really want to banish that doubt in your heart right now. You know, I'm really, here we are sitting together having a heart-to-heart with our favorite beverage, and I really want to look you in the eye, Songbird, and say, you are enough. You are good enough. And I want you to take all that doubt away. And I want you to just move forward. Just do the next thing that you can do to get better as a singer. That's all you need to do. And if you do that every day, you are going to continue to get better as a songbird. So my encouragement to you is to not think about whether or not you have talent, whether or not, you know, you have to be born with natural talent in order to be a singer. No, you are a singer. Even right now, exactly where you are, the fact that you make a decision that you want to sing, that you want to learn to sing, and you want to grow as a singer makes you a singer. Okay? I am giving you permission right now, Songbird, to say, I am a singer. And I want you to own it. I want you to take it, embrace it with both hands. And I just want you to take small steps every day to back your passion, to back your decision. And you know, just like me, over years and years of practice, you're going to find that you're also going to become the singer that you've always wanted to be. So please, don't worry about talent. Don't worry about any of that stuff, okay? Believe in yourself. I believe in you, but you need to believe in yourself and just keep going, all right, towards your dreams. All right, so that's what we're talking about today. I hope that that encouraged you, Songbird. Now, if you really do want some help, you know, to flourish as a singer, you know, guided help that's step-by-step in sequence by me, I really highly encourage you to go and check out the Vocal Revolution program. You're absolutely going to love it, you know, and there's also a private Facebook group that I hang out in a lot in that program so that I can give you feedback on your voice. And if you upload videos, I'll actually look at your videos and give you feedback on that. I'll answer your questions, okay? So I'm here to support you. I know that you can do it, all right? So go and check out that program as well. All right, be encouraged, Songbird. You know that I am always believing in you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.